the car, I guess. I'm going to stand over top of Nibs for safety. I'm going to ask no sudden movements while she's on the ropes. Once you get to the final platform, if you want to cheer and let her know how much you appreciated the show, that'll be the final trick. Now, we are guests of Buskerfest, so they took great care of us and we appreciate them for having us, but we're going to pass the hat for Epilepsy, so if you have something, we're going to put it in the basketball net, or Twizzler is going to take the money from your hand and put it in the net. Oh, Lollipop's going to ride the scooter. Can we get Lollipop on her scooter ride?
Japanese.
Would you want to try something that we have now?
Today. I wish you all an amazing last week.
Can you guys make them feel a little bit more welcome?
You two stay strong. 3, 2, 1. When I get the handstand, everybody make sure. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Steve, cheap one up, please do not move. Okay, if you move, you become sushi. You guys, acrobatics is all about trust. And Mako will do one trick to make sure we can trust them. Chikola, please put your arm like this. Please keep your arms straight. Can you also bend your knees 45 degrees? Mako will balance on her shoulders on top of his hand. Okay, please keep your arms straight. But more important, please do not open your legs. If you open your legs, one of your balls is here. And that is not a magic trick. It happened to me 4 times. And Steve, can you put your arm